Hey guys, what's happening? How to import an HTML email template to Brevo. So go ahead to the official website of Brevo and sign in. And then head on the left-hand menu, Marketing. Under Marketing, you're gonna see Campaigns, Landing Pages, Forms, Statistics, Templates. Press Templates. And what we're gonna just create a new template, right? Now what you're gonna do, you need to name the template in the subject line. In the preview text, don't type like I do. I'm just, demonstrating. And now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just hit next step. You can add a template offered by Brevo, right? Or you can choose from template gallery right here, or you can code your own, which we will use HTML, right? So if you already have HTML, code, right? Or HTML, code, just paste the code right here. Okay. Then basically, once you import that HTML email template to Brevo, you're gonna hit save and quit. Right? Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.